Just God and Fishing Day. See ya. Today on my Mud Dog radio station, 4:55, getting some thunderstorms and
Hello out there, 762-105. Yeah, it's going good, man.
People bought the radio just for entertainment purposes.
Yeah, I've been hearing that for the last 10 minutes.
Buys any hobby equipment unless they plan on being entertained.
I know, isn't that fantastic?
Why is it that Jehovah's Witnesses never die during?
Yeah, I forgot Halloween's coming up.
They're always standing in somebody's doorway.
Where are you at? You on the freeway? Oh, good. You're done for the day?
And all you Jehovah's out there, everybody's always making jokes about people.
It makes two of us.
When everybody grew up, everything was Pollock jokes. Did you hear about how many Pollocks it takes? So don't be offended, man. Yeah, now you can't say that anymore because they're politically incorrect. So you got to ask, how many psychiatrists does it take to change a light bulb? Difference in what?
There you are. You had to go and check Debbie's blood pressure, do this.
Well, yeah, of course I see a difference. Back when I was growing up, you could have long rifles in the back of your pickup truck at school, and you didn't have to worry about somebody.
God bless them. Cool sight, man.
That's right, in the locker room. Your bedtime was there.
Oh, dear. Yo, Joseph.
Well, I'm so dirty, so I'm not in the truck cornholing, and
it is too.
And I'm not in a truck.
Yeah, that was his big truck.
I'm in a big truck.
Yeah, you see, the problem was, once you start going down the slippery slope, you actually...
Yeah, don't bring your truck home.
got momentum.
Oh, it's always good bringing truck home. Hey, Chad, where you at out there, buddy? On the Guadalupe Ironwood.
I think
okay, we will see you in a little while. We'll fix that MC. All right, Joe.
Easy to accuse military, police, or martial law. I like how they took out these.
Roger.
You got big things with four motors on it. Blew the sucker out of the water. I think a lot more people are going to see that way than we needed.
Oh, we had a big rain last night and the night before. That's all right. We'll take all we can get, Joe.
Oh, yeah. I'm hoping we get a lot more. And remember,
yeah, do you have today off, or you went out in your big truck?
Getting home. I'm in the four-wheeler.
Roger. Where'd you drive to today?
Why be afraid of it? It's a benefit to humanity. You know what I mean?
Roger on the Tucson. That company you work for, they ever got any iron?
And Queens, I don't know where and when we separated. I guess it was back in 1700 and something. We got four trucks. They only got the promise there.
Okay. I'm not asking for myself. I've been retired 17.5 years. Yeah, I had a commercial driver's license, chauffeur's license for damn near 50 years.
that last issue of Dodge only a few months, because I tell you what, I don't care